Good morning, welcome back to Pattaya, Thailand. We're here at East Coast because a legend that's been following the channel for quite some time, and I don't like to call you guys subscribers because honestly, you're all mates. He's driven 10 hours in his Hilux to get a detail. So we're going to check that out and find out why he's come all this way. And he actually bought our old black Honda CRV, so we'll have a bit of a look around his car. He's driven 10 hours, it still looks pretty good. And then have a chat to him about it. And over the next few days, I'll come down here and do some progress shots and video, and we'll see how it comes up. But it looks pretty damn good. Let's go. So we'll meet Francis in a minute. But this is 6 years old, this Hilux. And he's driven from Nakhon, Sakon, which is... What is it?
Sakon Nakhon.
Sakon Nakhon. Hang on, we'll mic him up and ask him some questions in a minute. Nakhon, Sakon. It's about... Sakon Nakhon. But his Hilux is 6 years old and done 100,000 kilometres. But look at the condition of it. No wonder he bought the CRV. We'll talk about that. But look at it. Wow. 6 years old, 100,000 Ks. Never had any paintwork? Nothing. So it looks good now on camera. It's dirty, a little bit dirty, but it's not bad. Look at that. $107,000 Ks. So I just asked Francis if he's selling it, and he just laughed at me and said, "Oh, you'll only buy it and have it for 6 weeks and sell it." But we'll have a chat to him and find out why he's come all this way to get a detail. So this is Francis. Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you, Jason.
How long was your drive?
Well, it was 5 hours yesterday from Hawaii.
Yeah.
But prior to that, we spent 2 days driving down from Sakon Nakhon. So stopping Korat overnight.
But you've done the drive before from Sakon Nakhon to Pattaya. Is that about 10 hours?
It is, but I break it up.
So I met Francis because he bought my old Honda CRV, which I don't know whether you guys remember it. I love that car, and that was owned by an air hostess from Thai Airways, and I showed it on video, and then Francis contacted me and came to Pattaya and ended up buying it. And how's the car going?
Yeah, it's going really well. My wife still hasn't got a driver's license, which was the whole purpose of buying it.
Wasn't that about a year ago?
Yes.
Wow.
You know what Thai ladies are like.
But does she drive it anyway?
A couple of times. If they can be chauffeured, they like to be chauffeured.
They do. They don't really like driving, do they?
No.
So it's done very few kilometres, obviously, since...
Probably since I saw you, maybe 4,000.
Really?
Something like that.
You want to sell it again?
Maybe. I threatened her with that. I said, if you don't get that driver's license soon, I'll be on to Jason.
Anyway, he's a good guy. So originally from Sydney. What part of Sydney?
Maroubra. That's where I spent most of my time.
So this is a Shire boy, and so for those that don't know Maroubra, that's the Sutherland Shire of Sydney, and I was born on the Northern Beaches, and there was always a bit of a thing between the Northern Beaches people and the Sutherland Shire people. But how was the move from living there to living up in Isaan?
Yeah, well, it's quite a change. So when I originally came, I came to Phuket.
Oh, right.
So my wife and I had our first year together in Phuket. We started building a house in Sakon Nakhon on some family land. Mm-hmm. So we made the move up there after the first year, and I've been there ever since. So came here in 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Big difference from life in Sydney?
Yeah, it's a a lot more relaxed.
Isn't
it? Well, even down here in Pattaya, which is, it can be a bit hectic, but up in the country, it's pretty slow paced. But I like to come down to the coast every few months and have a bit of nightlife and more Western food.
More Western food?
Yes.
I know this is a pretty obvious question because I've shown East Coast so many times on video. Was it the fact that I'd shown the quality of their work?
Yeah, I think the quality just really impressed me.
It's incredible, isn't it?
And so the Hilux is 6 years old, and it's garage and obviously pretty good nick, but it hasn't had a wax since I bought it. So I thought now's the time to give it some love.
Still looks like, seriously, when you look at that car, I would think that it would less than a year old.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of Toyota, and especially if someone looks after it. And,
yeah.
you guys know my battles with trying to buy cars here. I was lucky when I found the CRV, and the CRV was a house car, which is a private sale when I bought it. And like I said, genuine one owner and owned by an air hostess. But my God, that last car I bought, the Subaru, it was like I almost gave up on trying to buy a private sale car.
Yeah.
And a good car.
Yeah.
It's hard to find them. And I've bounced the idea of the Good Vibes Garage concept with Francis about our new place, and you'll hear more about that.
Yeah.
And the ability to help expats sell their cars and buy cars and store cars and all that kind of thing. But
I think that's a great concept, Jason, really. You come to Thailand and you just don't have any concept of where to start when it comes to buying and selling and finding a place like this. It's like a needle in a haystack.
Well, it is, and I mean, my background, 40 years in the car industry and a mechanic. I'm just obsessed with this kind of stuff. So, I've spent 3 years this month I've been in Thailand, and I've probably spent those 3 years in between all my condo and property videos and some other car stuff, finding places like East Coast and you guys have seen it all on video before, all the places that I've sort of hunted down and now kind of recommend. And, I said it, I think, in one of my last car videos, the quality of their paint correction here and the way these guys handle a buff. And look, some of you might not give a shit about your car, and that's fine, but there's others like us that like to protect our investment and
have it looking nice.
Have it looking nice, because we're not. Well, I know when I drive a nice car, I feel good.
Yeah, me too.
And Sue, like when I drive Sue's Honda Jazz, she always goes, "You don't care about my car, do you?" And it's kind of, well, I do, but it's not the same. So, when I'm driving my own car, I'll avoid puddles and I'll try not to drive in mud if there's a car park and
back a bit from the trucks.
Yeah. He sounds like me, OCD. Anyway, it's awesome to see you. So how long are you in Pattaya then?
Just for 5 days. So I get this done and a few other things. So.
Yeah. Well, we'll catch up again. And I'll come back down here, like when they put the Hilux, they'll move the Hilux, well, they'll wash it and prep it, and then they'll move it into a bay behind us.
Yeah.
And we'll do the final reveal when Francis picks it up.
Sounds good.
Thanks, mate.
Okay, cheers, mate.
So this is the boss and the owner, and he's very good on social media. And I gave him a sticker, but I didn't expect him to put it on the front door. So if you come here after watching this video and you see this on the door and this guy, you know you're in the right place. All right, a couple of days later, but I did say it would take 3 days, but because Francis' car needed such little paint correction, they got it done in 2, and tomorrow's a public holiday, so the boss man there, that's one of the best buff guys in Thailand. We're here to pick it up. How does it look?
Amazing job, mate.
Amazing?
Yes. Just feel like it feels like it's brand new.
Yeah.
New.
That's, the thing is, to be honest with you, like when I had my Ranger done here, when they do the paint correction, the paint is better than when you pick it up from a dealer, because dealers just don't do it. Didn't you have some marks on it that needed to get taken out?
Yeah, there are a few.
Well, have they gone?
Yeah. That's gone. Also like a big mark down here.
Was there?
Yeah. All gone.
Mate, these guys are just insane when it comes to... So did you ask them to do anything with the interior or just to clean?
I didn't ask anything.
Oh, right. It was clean already.
Reasonably. But so I don't know what they did.
Is it for sale now?
No.
Looks brand new.
Yeah, that's right.
Were there scratches on?
Yeah, I went, in the country, people just step on here and get inside.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Is this electric?
Yeah.
Popcorn car. Thanks, East Coast, for letting us do this. And thank you, Francis, for
No worries.
driving all the way from
Sakon Nakhon.
Sakon Nakhon.
Yeah, that's it.
10-hour drive.
Yeah.
So a bit of a story there. Sydney, Sakon Nakhon, Pattaya, East Coast detailing. So if you were to use the Good Vibes Garage through me to sell a car, this is how I would present it. Because presentation's everything. When you're selling, you guys should know that. And you spend 4,000 or 5,000 baht to get a car looking like that. When I put it on video, makes it a lot easier to sell. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, what a feeling.
Toyota.
Good man.